heaps of like big shelves and smashed. G'day guys and welcome back to another video. In today's video I'm down here on the Gold Coast chasing, well, it started off chasing bream, turned into an absolute great mangrove jack and trevally session in the bridges using lures, hard bodies, surface, plastics, a bit of everything really. Got a really nice trevally, 3 nice mangrove jack, so it's a banger video, stay tuned. And not only that, I was using my bream setup to catch mangrove jack and big trevally. I smoked a few times. It was just one of the best sessions ever. Huge cod came out and had a look at my lure. It looked like 70 centimeter cod. So I'm gonna head back to those same bridges very soon with my jack setup, throw some really good jack lures around. Hopefully there's some big jacks on the heavier gear. Anyways guys, hope you enjoy. Look at that guys, that's what I'm talking about. And another one. I don't know what they're doing. There's bigger ones just out the back there, and then look at all of these. They're all like the exact same breed. See, they've got back there. I think it's called a cowtail stingray, but not sure. That's so cool though. Beautiful looking area. Little drain right here. Unfortunately, there's big bits of Rio, like the ground, like the concrete and stuff. So I'll get snagged up instantly. So I'm not going to cast in there. But literally just stingrays sitting around everywhere here. That's crazy. Guys, there was something really big blowing up under here, and it wasn't like a bust up. It was just like boof, 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 and then 30 seconds later, boof, 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 and on and on. This is the 95mm, I think, 95mm MMD splash prawn. We're gonna climb down here. It's super. Huge fish just smacked it. It came off. Oh, that was huge. This is 10 pound with 8 pound leader. It's the heaviest I've got. Oh, something just hadn't the hook stick. Goodness me. That was in, oh, smashing. Again guys, huge fish. Alright guys, we got ourselves, this is an atomic minnow, like a 95 or so mil. Super nice action, super nice colour. Good size, like nice and skinny. Yes guys, no way. Oh, come on bro. Yes. Oh, mangrove jack. You beaut. On that little atomic shad. Oh guys, way too long. Way too long. I got hit about 50,000 billion times under there. Where's me phone, mate? Mangrove jack. Mangrove jack, guys. Looks about 30, I'd say. On that atomic shad there. Scoffed it. Literally, I'd braid straight to the thing there because I only had Max in an 8-pound leader with me, so that was going to be my leader. And we got a jack, boys. Let's go. I need that bridge there. Oh, that's what we want, guys. So good. Get him back in the water real quick so we can swim off strong. Oh no. Oh no. Oh no. Oh no. Oh no. Oh no. Huge fish. No. No. Snipped me off. Got me in the rocks.
That was big.
That was flipping big.
That was big. That smashed your line.
Oh.
Oh my god, that was big.
Alright guys, new lure tied on. This is the Savage Gear Pop Prey, I think. 70mm, but it's an absolute popper. Like I want this popper. I didn't want to walk the dogs. That's why the splashy was going good, I think, because he was a bit more of a pop. So, alright guys, we're back where I got the jack. There's brim. There's all sorts of giant fish in this spot, I found out. Bit of rock climbing. GT, so many with it. GT's everywhere, bro. GT dog, GT. Oh. GT. Oh, GT.
What sort of fish that?
Oh, it's a GT. Trevally. Yeah.
Is that a big one for here?
No, they get pretty big. Yeah.
Can you keep that one still?
Yeah, they don't have a size limit.
Trevally.
Yeah, Trevally. Stuff for me, mate. There you go, guys. Finally landed him. It's a GT. Not huge, but mate, they put up a fight. Stuff, mate. Tied on the Zman Mulletron. It's a fairly new one to their range. It's, I believe, a 3 or a 4 inch, can't remember. Smoky Shad, I think it's a 3 inch. And they're just on a 1/4 TT 3.0 extra heavy jig head. Just because we're gonna see, there's heaps of like big shelves and smashed. First cast. What is going on, guys? What is fucking going on? Another mangrove jack. Woohoo! That's how we do it, fellas. Mangrove jack on the Zman Mulletron. Way up on the shallow. Smash that. That's what we're talking about there, guys. Another decent, probably this one's about 28, I'd say, centimeter mangrove jack. under the bridge. Woo! First cast. The Z-Man Mulletron is such a good lure for the Gold Coast around here, guys. Just because of how many mullet are here. It's the perfect representation of a mullet. I've just tied on the Rapala CrushCity Imposter 3-inch in a Bloodworm colour with a 1/8. And we're going to fish this because these ones sink fairly slowly from memory. I haven't used them. Yeah, fairly slow sink. So that would be perfect, just wafted along these big edges. All right. Yeah, boys. Mangrove Jack. Oh, on that Imposter. Just clubbed it. Oh, get here. Yes, sir. Super red. On that little Rapala CrushCity Imposter. 3-inch. Third jack of the day, mate. 1 trev, 3 jacks. This one's on the Rapala CrushCity. Literally just using braid straight to the knot because heaviest lead I've got with me is 8 pound and it's not good enough for jacks and big trevs, so you beauty. This one's going straight back to its little creek. Thanks for watching today's video. I really enjoyed filming it. It was one of my more favorited videos. So hit the like, subscribe, comment, and I'll see you in my next one. Let's go.